26. How do you prevent technical debt in full space delivery environments? I focus on writing clean code from the start. I document decisions, automate tests, and schedule regular Even in fast sprints, I push for small, stable changes rather than messy shortcuts. 27. Explain a bug that was particularly difficult to solve and how you found the root cause. Once, a user couldn't save data on Fridays. It turned out our server time zone didn't match the client, causing validation to fail. After checking logs and simulating the behavior, we fixed it by standardizing time. 28. What's your process for diagnosing performance bottlenecks? I start by measuring API response time. Then I check backend processing, database queries, and front-end rendering. I use tools like Chrome, DevTools, application profilers, and log analyzers to isolate the problem. 29. What metrics do you track for performance optimization? I track API response time, error rates, CPU and memory usage, database query time, and user load. These help me know when something is slowing down. 30. Do you use static code analysis or linters? Why or why not? Yes. Tools like ESLint or Sonarquay catch common mistakes and enforce standards. They help reduce bugs before run. I run them in my editor and CI pipeline. 31. This job discourages meetings. How to ensure effective async collaboration. I use tools like Slack, GitHub, and project boards to communicate clearly and document everything. I write detailed commit messages and pull request descriptions so teammates understand my work without a call. Async communication saves time and allows focused work. 32. Describe your experience working in a globally distributed team. I've worked with teams across different time zones. I adjust my schedule for important sync-ups and rely on written communication. I leave clear messages, use shared documents, and respect others' time zones. It builds trust and keeps the work flowing smoothly. 33. How do you handle code disagreements or merge conflicts in high-velocity teams? If there's a disagreement, I focus on the problem, not the person. I ask for clarification, suggest alternatives, and look at pros and cons. For merge conflicts, I pull the latest code, test both versions, and keep the solution that works best. Communication and testing solve most conflicts. 34. Have you mentored junior engineers in AI-driven work? Yes. I've shown juniors how to use Copilot, Windsurf, and ChatGPT effectively. I teach them how to guide AI with clear prompts, validate its output, and not over-rely on it. I also review their code and explain why some AI suggestions may be risky. 35. When faced with tight deadlines, how do you balance speed and quality? I prioritize features based on business impact. I use AI tools to write code quickly, but I still write tests for the critical parts. I avoid over-engineering and aim for clean, working code. After release, I improve the code in later sprints if needed.